welcome to a new video. So in this video we are going to be talking about what is everlasting love. So everlasting love is love that does not end. It's love that lasts forever. Let us open our Bibles to the book of Jeremiah 31 verse 3, and I am going to read it upon your hearing. And it says, "The Lord has appeared of old to me, saying, Yes, I have loved you with an everlasting love. Therefore, with loving kindness, I have drawn you and I have built you." So, us as Christians, what can we do in order to show everlasting love towards our peers, our family members, even to people that we don't know, because we are all brothers and sisters? Well, we can start practicing everlasting love in our homes, loving our siblings, loving our parents, loving each and everyone that we live with. And God sent His only begotten Son to come to this world to die for us, to show us that He has everlasting love for us. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.